I did my second live, actually. Was it a second? I want to check every crevice that he's painted. Do you hear me? Traffic is really crazy today. It is too much going on here. My goodness. Okay, y'all. Happy Friday. It is Friday, August 8th. I did my second live, actually. Was it a second? Really, y'all? It's the third. The second one was yesterday. I didn't have anybody join yesterday, but y'all, I probably just chose the wrong time. I shouldn't really be driving and talking to y'all. I am working right now, but I need to run to an appointment across town. I left my microphone at home, so I hope you guys can hear me okay. I did my, let's see, yesterday then would have been the third. Y'all can't even keep count. But I'm new to these lives, so I did one this morning before I got started with work for the day. And two of my subscribers joined me this morning, and it was nice. So I'm getting the hang of the lives, guys, and I think I'm really going to like them. So if you could let me know what a good time is. I'm pretty much thinking that late evenings are probably best, especially Friday and Saturday or Sunday. That's where I had luck with most of my views after the live ended on Sunday. That's the one where I was in my PJs. It was nice. But y'all, I have been going back and forth with this guy painting our house. It has been a complete headache. He painted our house 4 or 5 years ago. It went well. I know times have changed and he has picked up more business and all, but it's all about just being professional, you know, and getting back to your clients in a timely manner. I just don't get it with people these days. But this person's just all over here, all over the line, honey. Let me pay attention before I get on this interstate. And you'll probably see another vlog before this. I'm kind of on the fence about posting it because I was really upset that day. And it's pretty much a reaction, which, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. That's just how I feel. I was saying that he's done. You know, I'm done with him because he has not been professional at all with his replies and he has not been timely. But now all of a sudden, girl, he did tell us in his defense that he would let us know by Friday if he will be able to paint this weekend, which is the 8th and the 9th. Well, he did text my husband after his attitude. I didn't know how to take that text. So I was kind of offended by it. And I was just like, we're not going to use him. You know, I just don't like that. You know, it was a very smart comment and very unprofessional. But anyway, with all that said, y'all, he is the cheapest that we've seen. For painting what we want him to paint, his prices are the best that I've seen. So he did reply to us. He did reply. Let me get over here. Okay, he did reply, and we are going to, looks like we're going to go with him. So he said he's available for this Sunday, which is August 9th. And I hate to miss church again, but you know, we really want our walls painted. And we were hoping to have it done in August. So I may have to miss church, or I can go and my husband can stay. But I don't really want to leave my husband because I want to check every crevice that he's painted. Do you hear me? Because last time he painted, he did a good job. That's why we're going back with him. But there were areas that he missed in the kitchen, like in the corners and stuff near the countertops. And I just want it done right. If we're paying you money, it needs to be done right. I need to be happy. Okay? So I think we're going to go back with him, y'all, because everybody else we talked to, it has been so expensive. I mean, talking about they're going like $2,000, roughly $2,000 above his price. So for what he's charging, including the materials, you know, the paint and all of that, you can't beat that price. And I think he quoted, I have to get my husband for sure, but I think he is charging $1,500. He's painting our living room, the foyer, the dining room area, the kitchen area, because there's really no division in our house. It all is kind of open, so it needs to be painted up the steps too. We have a wall going up the steps that's painted that blue color that we don't like, the gray. So we need that done too. So with all of that he's doing in our foyer, I think I said that, living room, dining room, and kitchen, $1,500 including materials, is pretty good. So I think we're going to stick with him. I just will keep my mouth shut. You know what? He's in our house doing this one time, you know, use him again, to be honest, just after the situation that went down. But anyway, y'all, But I'm almost at my destination. I need to get back to work before my meeting. I don't know why and who schedules meetings on Fridays, y'all. That's the last thing I need is a Friday meeting, but it is what it is. But I'm going to run this errand, get back, and I will talk to you all a little later. Bye. Okay, y'all, I just got back from running my errands, and I'm in traffic. Traffic is really crazy today. It's really crazy. But I hope you can hear me. I should have tested this out before. I'm watching these cars, y'all. Before I started talking again. But I'll talk to you when I get home and have hopefully my microphone. But I know with the car moving and everything, it's probably a little loud. It kills me every time I go in this shop, my vitamin shop. I have like several things I'll get, and they ask me every time, do you want a bag? I'm like, am I going to just juggle this stuff? And I don't even have a big purse, but the point is, yes, I want a bag. I don't understand. It's just something about this place, y'all. It is. Stopped and got some gas. Usually my husband gasses up my car, but we have been so busy, y'all, and I've been running my errands, and I haven't been going to the gym because usually we'll swap out and he gasses me up. I just stopped here. It's such a pretty day. I stopped on my lunch break here and got some gas and just took my time, you know, just to no rush or anything. You know, I have that meeting, Friday meeting, but too many people are out here in a hurry and you go nowhere. You get caught by a red light, there's traffic, you're not going anywhere. But all these road rages, y'all. We had something happen here that it didn't make national news. I thought it did, but it made news and it really was sad. And this is the weekend of our family reunion in which we were on the way to the location and we missed the group family photo by 5 minutes because of this accident that happened. And y'all, it was road rage. I think he was 22-year-old was killed on this major interstate in our city. And the people who were responsible for it finally surrendered because, I mean, you're not going nowhere. Somebody has some kind of webcam, you know what I'm saying, of what happened. But y'all, it was so sad. And all that for what? I don't know. That kid is young, just starting his life. We don't know really what happened. It was like at 7:30 in the morning on a Saturday. So we left in ample time to make it to the venue, in plenty of time. We had to drop off Layla at her boarder's house, and that's on the way to the venue. But due to this careless act, and I only can imagine what that family is going through. It was horrible. And when they interviewed the family on the news, they were just like, they saw on the news about this wreck and this interstate being shut completely down, which, y'all, that was chaotic because this interstate is one of our main heavily traveled interstates in the city. It was horrible. It was shut down. So people who were traveling that day, we could not go anywhere. We had to get off of a side road and go around the world to get to your location. It was horrible. People are really just, they're careless. They just rush for everything, and they don't take their time, and they're rushing for what? And then you get upset and shoot people. Hey girl, I'm coming. Let's go sit out there. What's going on? It's nice, huh? It is so nice, y'all. We are only in the 80s today. I am so happy. I hope you all can hear me. Yeah, but it's only in the 80s today. I think 89, which we will take, y'all. We have been in the hundreds, and it has been a scorcher. It's been horrible. I'm a fall girl, okay? So anyway, Layla's out here taking care of business. I just got in. Oh goodness, I left my phone inside. I need to probably grab that. But anyway, y'all, so that's the plan. We're going to get the walls painted. Bed Bath & Beyond is back. It's back in our city. They were actually on national news earlier this morning. And it's not far from us at all. So we're definitely paying Bed Bath & Beyond a visit. I cannot wait. Perfect timing for when we get the walls painted because I need some new decor. Definitely my curtains. Curtains will be the first thing I get. I cannot wait for that. We're looking forward to hosting very soon. We're going to have a family barbecue here now that it's getting a little nicer, but it's going to get right back hot, y'all. But we love to host and we love just having our family and friends over. So we're going to do that. But this is what is that? Uh-oh, Layla's about to start barking. She heard some of the kids outside. The kids should be in school. We are supposed to host Thanksgiving this year, so I want my decor up. I want everything perfect for fall. My fall decor will be up this year for Thanksgiving. Typically, y'all, I put up my Christmas stuff. This is just a family tradition. I put up my Christmas decor on before Thanksgiving. So like our Christmas trees and everything are up. Y'all, I'll be back.